Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an API key from Wix. First, go to your Wix account. Once in, click on any site. It won't matter what site you choose. We will just use it to search for API key. Now on the search bar, search for API keys. Then click on headless. In here, you see admin API key. Click on manage API key. Then you will be able to generate API key. Just type in the name of your key. Here you can manage the permissions to all permissions, basic permissions, all account and all site permissions. For me, I will stay on basic permission. Once done, just click on generate key button on the upper right. Then you will be asked to type in the code that was sent to your email. Just send the code. Then type in the code that was sent to you and click on verify and generate key. And now you have your API key that you can copy. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.